Hey there, little artists. I am Samantha.
Hey there, little artists. And I am Alex.
Welcome to our fun-filled drawing and painting adventure. Today, we're going to explore the world of letters through drawing and painting. Are you ready? Let's dive in. A is for apple. Let's start by drawing a big, round apple. It's super simple, just a circle. And now, let's add a cute little stem on top. There you go. And now Alex, your turn.
Great job on the apple, Samantha. Let's move on to B. B is for ball. Can you guess how we draw a ball? That's right. It's a big circle. Let your imagination roll, and draw a bouncy ball right next to your apple.
Awesome work, Alex. I see some fantastic apples and balls taking shape. Remember, friends, there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's all about having fun. Now, let's move on to C. C is for cat. Can you draw a cute cat beside your apple and ball? Let's draw together. Start with a round head and add some pointy ears. Meowtastic. There you go. Now time to paint the cat. I like yellow color. Which color you like?
Great job with the cat, Samantha. Now, let's go to D. D is for dog. Draw a happy dog right next to your cat. How about a wagging tail and floppy ears? Wolf-tastic. Start with rectangle legs and then square head, and add a wagging tail. Wolf-tastic. I paint yellow and dog. What you paint?
Awesome work, Alex.
Hey, little artists. Share your drawings with us. What colors did you use for your apple, ball, cat, and dog? We'd love to see your masterpieces.
Moving on to E. E is for elephant. Draw a big, friendly elephant beside your cat and dog. Don't forget those long, swirly trunks.
Little artists. Remember, there are no rules in art, just have fun and let your creativity shine.
Wow, look at our masterpiece. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, and E for elephant. We did an amazing job today, Alex.
Goodbye.